Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone guys, accessibility setting guys, and today friends I will show you guys how can we enable guys color correction mode and how can we use in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to enable guys your Infinix phone color correction and guys you don't know what is color correction and guys how to use it. Today friends I will show you guys. So first of all guys we will on guys our phone setting guys. So after on phone setting guys you can see this type of setting. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on guys your phone accessibility setting. First of all guys click on special function, then guys accessibility, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see color correction mode guys. So guys we will enable from right side icon, and guys you want to change this color. So friends, you can change into red green color, and friends come back. So friends, you can see guys your skin color will change, and friends your icon color is different color. So guys we call it color correction, and guys we can use color correction like that in Infinix phone. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.